start again. It's a redskin.
One more. All right, put on safety. Lift it up. One more.
You pull it back.
All right, put on safety. Yeah. All right, you ready? You ready now? So when you get yourself together, take it off safety. Do you 3 of them. All right, put on safety. Yeah, you good.
Show y'all how this truck works. Y'all see it? That truck and that 350 transmission in the back.
Oh yeah. Put me in the game.
See it?
This what we need.
Yeah, I see what Jmalcom had made a post, but he was looking for one. I had one sitting in the yard, so I was gonna bring it and drop it off, but since he got me a room, he stayed overnight, man. So about to get this thing pulled out and close the vlog out in a minute.